Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am so excited to be talking about something that has taken months and months to develop and get in, and I'm just going to get right to the point. Today we're going to be unboxing for you my new Clearly Flawless skincare kit. And thank you, by the way, Skin Squad, that has kept on me about this for months to get it done. And we did get it done, and it is in, and it is now available over at Clear Revolution Skincare. But I want to tell you a little bit about it because if you've been suffering with acne breakouts, you guys know I bitch and bitch and bitch about the fact that products that are being sold to folks that have skin problems like acne or acne prone skin are really the same ingredients, just repackaged and re-put out as something new, and they're not new. And so of course the results are the same, and you know, we haven't gotten rid of acne. It's as bad a problem or worse today than it has ever been. So over the months I have talked about doing this and putting together a kit for people with acne and acne prone skin that meets my requirements and does what it says it will do without costing you a fortune, and you know you're getting good products. And so in this kit, the Clearly Flawless Kit, there are 4 products. The first of which is this face wash, which is formulated with meadowlark and other botanicals to help you get clear skin. It has lactic acid to help speed up cellular turnover and help you to have less breakouts and with less blocked pores. So it's a great product, and it's a huge bottle of face wash that's going to last you 2 months. The next thing everyone has been asking me for is a spot treatment for breakouts when they start that would actually work. This is naturally based. It's got AHAs in it. It's got camphor in it, which are both 2 ingredients that are going to really speed heal any bump. And we've tested it out. 1 to 2 days. You use this right here. Just put a little on wherever you're getting a breakout, and the bump is going to shrink and disappear in 1 to 2 days. That's much faster than the 8 days that a lot of over-the-counter products have been promising you. And again, this will last you a really long time. The other thing I'm excited that's included is the exfoliation sponge that I harp on all the time. Exfoliation is the keystone of any skincare routine that is worth its salt. And I talk about this in all my videos. Your skincare routine is 90% of your solution, and this is the keystone item here. So even if you don't get the kit, go out and get one of these so that you get really clear skin really fast, because this is going to keep every pore that you have open. You can use it every day. You toss it after a month and get a new one. It's probably the most inexpensive thing out there that can help with breakouts that I know about. And last but not least in the kit is 100% organic Australian tea tree oil. This is enough to last you for 6 months. This is an important product that needed to be included, because if you have active breakouts, or like I did, you have acne going on, a spot treater isn't going to get everything, but tea tree oil can be used across the surface of the skin in a way that the spot treater can. It will actually calm that acne breakout down. So I'm really excited to have these products available to you on Clear Revolution Skincare's website. The link is in the video description box, and I will pin it to comments, and it's right here on the screen in front of you. And for those of you asking me if you can get the products individually, sure, of course you can. You can get any product that you think you need, but why do that? Get the kit. It's going to save you money. You're going to have everything you need right there in one place. And the kit is a really great savings, so I really highly recommend that you check it out. Now let me know if you think the kit is a great idea and that it has everything you need. You can do that in the comment section, and by all means, if you use this kit, please come back and let me know your feedback. You can do that on this video. I check every video I have. I know when a comment goes on it, and I read them. So with that said, go out, get your kit, stay beautiful, and I will see you next time.